Hi guys, welcome back to Battle with Ola. This is Mujola Olua and I'm thrilled to be here once again. Today we want to talk about a memorandum and article of association, MEMART in some cases. Memorandum of Association, Articles of Association. These are foundational documents in incorporation. That is, when you're registering a company, these are documents you must file. They are bedrock documents in the registration of a company. So we just briefly want to talk about what they are, what they contain, and how important they are in the formation and the existence of a company. I want to apologize to everyone that has tried to join the channel using their Nigerian card and have found it difficult or unsuccessful. This is on the Nigerian government and not on you, and neither is it on me, but I apologize all the same. Nigerian cards can really not pay for international, cannot make international payments largely at this time. It's been, the situation for about 3, 4, 5 years now. If that has been your challenge, I'm sorry about it. I have contacted YouTube and sadly they were not able to provide a tailored solution. So I'd say that if you really just wanted to support the channel, please look in the description box and you'll see a link to support or show some love to the channel. And if you want to access the perks that are attached to joining the channel, you can send a mail directly to livingstoneschq@gmail.com and we'll just find a way around it. Honestly, that's the best we can do for now. I've tried to find my way around this and it's been near impossible. I hope that the situation is remedied in time. So let's talk about a memorandum of association. It is a foundational document, like I have said. That is the document that shows you why the company was formed, what type of company it is, and how it plans to carry on its business, the objects of the company, the type of company, the name of the company, and some other things. So the Memorandum of Understanding can basically introduce you to the company at first glance. So if you were to read it as an outsider, you would understand, the whole gamut of that particular company. Articles of association are the rules of running the company that are agreed upon and signed by the company shareholders, usually the initial shareholders, the company guarantors, and the company secretary, while the Memorandum of Understanding is agreed upon and signed by all initial shareholders and guarantors of the company. Now let's differentiate by listing what they contain or entail. Memorandum of Understanding must contain the name of the company, the type of company it is, the object of the company, that is the purpose, the business that the company intends to carry on, and then the number of shares, of the company. Then it will list the shareholders and the number of shares they have subscribed to, and then it will contain their signatures as well as the names and signatures of witnesses, their witnesses. That is for Memorandum of Association. Articles of Association contain more things, so I'm just going to read it out to you. The notice of the meetings and how it will be circulated amongst members and directors of the company. Then the seal, that's the provision, the use and custody of the company seal. Then it will contain, provisions as to voting, meetings, alteration of capital, commissions and brokerage, preemptive rights of the shareholders of the company, class of shares, restrictions on transfer of shares, interpretation, the names of subscribers and the names of witnesses. This is what is contained in an article of association. So essentially, if you get a hold of these two documents, you should understand what a company is about ordinarily. Both of them are together called MEMART, and without the MEMART, the Memorandum and Articles of Association, you cannot register a company completely. You cannot complete the registration of a company in Nigeria. These are important documents. They are usually templates that you can easily download online or that you can easily get, around and adapt into your own company's particular peculiarities. But essentially, it is a way for you to chart the course of your company from inception. That's all I have for you in this video. I will see you in my very next video. Don't forget to subscribe and look in the description box for goodies. Toodles.